day in Dubai. Today we are headed to Souk Market and we are so excited to go there. There's a frame we saw the other day. We are going to go to check out some spices, some gold, and just some souvenir-y kind of stuff. I heard if you go to this market, you can get things for little to nothing. Prior to going in, I had to go to the bathroom, and this is the facility I had to use. I will say the place was very clean. I just kind of felt strange spraying the toilet. But who cares? Lifestyle. That's what it's all about.
This is sunflower using for tea, for cooking, for rice. Sunflower.
Sunflower?
Yeah.
Red sunflower?
Yeah, sunflower, real sunflower. You know what this here, madam? This is turmeric, kurkuma. For
turmeric.
Yeah.
I use
for
turmeric.
face, yeah. This is kurkuma for cooking use. Turmeric for cooking.
Turmeric
Okay.
for cooking, okay.
And you know what is where you from?
Huh?
Where you from?
USA.
Yeah, you can smell one. This is dry ginger. Dry ginger used for tea, for cooking, okay?
I like ginger for like an upset stomach.
You can smell one. Stomach, yeah. This is cinnamon. Cinnamon in India one, okay? Used for cooking. Yeah, okay. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon, okay.
Come, I saw inside is special tea, madam.
I'm gonna come back.
Only looking, only check, nobody.
What I do with
So
this?
I must tell you, this gentleman was an excellent salesperson. He
What do I do
literally
with this?
lured us into the store to buy stuff.
This is my gift for chocolate.
Oh, chocolate, okay.
Yes, try one for chocolate.
Why is he putting all this stuff in my hand? Better yet, why am I allowing him to put all this stuff in my hand?
What is that?
Tea one. This is fruity one.
Oh, let me put that in there.
This is Arabian fruit tea, good for cholesterol, good for blood pressure.
Fruit tea,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I like fruit tea.
Vanilla?
They got fruit tea.
We were so gullible.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Bro, smell it.
Yeah.
You smell it vanilla. Oh, yeah, it smells sweet.
I like the fruit
This one
tea.
you can use for cake, ice cream.
Okay.
What I loved about everything in here, everything was natural.
This is kurkuma tea, turmeric tea.
Oh, that smells really
Yeah,
good.
turmeric tea good for joint problem, good for accident problem. This is turmeric tea.
That's, yeah.
And these
They
tradition.
take card. That's
Do you all take card?
Yes.
U.S. card?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
okay. I need some of that fruit tea in
Some fruit tea.
right there.
You like this tea.
I know. I like that tea. Oh, that smells good too.
Air grace special tea. Air grace special tea.
You have tea for men to make strong?
Yeah.
Tea for men to make strong. Jesus.
This Arabian herbal night tea, good for diabetes, good for sleeping.
That smells healthy right there. That smells healthy.
Yeah, I like the fruit tea. All different kind of spices. They called us as soon as we came into the market. What is that?
No idea?
No. Salt?
No salt.
Kosher?
Yeah, close eyes, only take smell, madam.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh.
What is that?
Eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus? Oh my God.
Oh, my God.
That's what I need.
Oh, yeah.
I need the eucalyptus.
Hey, one more.
He's home.
Bro, hey, you can feel it.
You sure can. I like that one.
You can use also with hot water. As we put in the charcoal, if you don't have charcoal like this, put in hot water, take one blanket cover and smell it like this. आराम से थोड़ा गरम करो.
The Lord just bless you.
I can smell it better on that thing you did. Yeah, I feel healthier too.
I like that one.
In hot water also put.
We up in here getting lit on some eucalyptus. Remember, it's healthy
What
though.
is that thing he had?
Which one?
What was the thing he had to put it in?
It's hot water in eucalyptus.
No, he had a machine or something.
No. This one?
The thing that burned, he
In
rubbed it.
charcoal.
Yeah.
It's charcoal. You know shisha charcoal?
No. What is
Like
that?
this.
I love learning new stuff. Come on now, teach us something.
Oh, thank you.
Like this.
Chocolate.
Okay,
See,
thank
this
you.
is empty. This is here charcoal.
Okay.
Okay, you can fire here.
Whoa.
Shisha charcoal sensor, yeah.
That's what that is?
The same thing, same code.
So would I need one of those?
No, you can use also with water. Hot water is more good. It's slowly coming.
just
In
seemed like
charcoal
that
is
was
very
it.
fast.
You like
See, now I'll show you.
Oh, that could
Ooh,
cleanse the house.
it sure can. I like that.
I like that. I like that. And
How much is that?
Shisha in there?
It's cheaper.
Shisha?
Yeah, Shisha here have also. Come on inside, see also different types of dry.
All fresh dried fruit. Oh, yum.
That's kiwi.
If you like to try something, you can try. This is
Coconut.
like a cherry, ginger, pomelo, coconut, strawberry, fig, kiwi. This is mango, papaya, apple. This is orange, cranberry, pineapple, hibiscus.
You got some more biscuits?
Try one, sir.
This one.
Dates.
For eating like this. Yeah. Yes.
This,
That
I
pineapple
like
real.
this. What's this?
Date.
Date?
Montana right here. Shut up.
And this is
Yeah, I
pomelo.
want some of that eucalyptus.
That's ginger.
Yeah, I need some ginger.
Thank you.
Try one. You want you want madam? You want spicy? Here, this one more take spicy video man.
Now I like the regular ginger.
This is barbecue masala.
So I've used this
barbecue
seasoning
masala.
since I've been home, and it is delicious.
Ooh,
smell
babe,
some?
smell that.
This barbecue masala.
Oh, it smells good.
I need some of this for real. And what's
This is
that?
chicken. Hot chicken. Emirates chicken masala. Emirates chicken
This one
masala.
was a little spicy, so I'll leave
really
it to the family to eat that. I don't do spicy.
Come, you
Okay.
want tea, madam? You want?
What's over here? Ooh, that smells good.
Do you want between right now?
So now he's over here calculating while he's trying to sell us some more stuff. We end up spending over $200 in this store. We better use every dang on thing that we bought. And I promise you, we will.
I want ginger and tea.
Hey, we need to get that.
Yeah, that I like that.
But it's energy stuff for me, and it's for me. It's for me.
You want?
I wanted to know how much that other thing you had.
This one?
No, that's big. What a small one? We ain't even been inside the market yet. Oh, we got cologne, perfume. Yeah. Okay, how much? Oh, no, small. That's when they got all the health benefits. Cancer.
Chocolate, madam. Chocolate.
No, I don't need no chocolate.
And spices.
No. Oh, you know
We
what?
are at the cash register, and he's still trying to sell us stuff.
But let me see. I need to know price because, like I said, I need deals.
This one.
There was a barbecue.
This is barbecue.
Okay, yeah. Not. I think it was that one.
This one.
That one.
This one.
The barbecue.
This is Emirates chicken one. This barbecue.
Which one did you show me first?
First one, this is barbecue.
I think that was it. Yeah.
This one?
Alright, we gotta be careful, but we're gonna go.
You can try.
No, we're gonna.
Try my
Come
friend.
on now, let's go. I don't need nothing else. Hurry up and get us up out of
Almond,
here.
you get an almond jar? You
No, I don't like peanuts. I don't
don't
like.
like peanuts.
You?
No, I like that. Oh, see that like that
You
sweet
want?
cashew? Thank
Try,
you.
brother.
This was good, y'all. Had,
Let's
try it. Try it.
No, I don't like peanuts.
They don't like peanuts. Okay. No, I've got that already. What do you want? Just a look. Okay, let me look some more first.
So you may wonder what a souk market is. A souk, S-O-U-Q or S-O-U-K, is an open-air marketplace or commercial quarter in an Arab or Berber city. A souk or souk is a free market where vendors can say the going market price for their products. The term is often used for the market in any Arab or Muslim city. So the going price, they make their price and you can bargain with them, which we kind of did. As we head to the ferry for a little shade, relaxation, and just, whew, it's been a long day. We are so worn out, but it's been totally worth it. We got some great things at the market, and they were a little pushy, but I will say we will probably more than likely use everything we bought. So we'll see you in Old Town Dubai. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Blessings and peace unto you.